Mamema akwaba efa umbra Ghana Sem TV GH mesre like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notification and so that anytime you post a video bit say we are usambekebi. Obia okra another country. Another country. Eye passport. San nipano. Today we are reliably informed say ye juma our Ghana national security. And John Dramani Mahama. Mbekaya. And I say if you are following there is a serious issue I call our NDC Fonte more Kaswa Honum. I would to Senya East. Yes, sir. Now between MP no Phyllis Nakoyo any chairman I wo and the alleged current boyfriend of Nakoyo no. Now from informations eba bonteno any with documentation attached no. First of all, and say Ntokwano, as I've explained yesterday, and then say one video now or your page, so wait, Michael share details. No, Papa no our US is here. I have to say or share World Cup. Now World Cup no ticket, buying ticket. Now we are hearing reliably. Says Papa no apparently only national security in the Juma. Now ye bisa say since when has a foreign national, because the moment Nippon war America for passport, what it means then they say, or you American ni, even se Nippon gonna impona or naturalize it to become an American, that person cannot and should not be part of yen national security architecture no. And you're dangerous. Aden na ebano ye security there se Ghana there yen fa no serious cry. We do not take our security serious at all, because if we took our security seriously, we wouldn't allow some of these mishaps to happen. And I'm not sure say a mishap, because before ube I cannot say before ube jetum say obimbeye national security nepana sa nepano ese oveti nepane monye veti na ma nepano chese oye obimpna oye mpimpnante ade ye vetin eye interview de munye biom se nukre se papa we ekra US citizenship ekra US passport as I'm displaying to you on my screen so then in 10 he must be sacked. He must be sacked. Unless evidence will say he has denounced any American citizenship, no. And that evidence must be available for all of us to see. We cannot keep joking any longer. We cannot keep playing any longer. And you're funny. And you're aggressive. And this is for Muni Nipana. Munkwa minister Bakwa sorry to say was involved in an issue and is no more. 1 year, no replacement. And all these things that happen here, our national security is more employ foreigner. How do we do this to ourselves? Oh.
Yeah, they see MPP will say ye. Kwamo bono. It's really ye. Kwamo bo the idea bu boni trim. Emma ni share nyansa. Traba politics inti. Traba. Eti Canada Japan ya ntoba man so many di MPP tino. MPP mu. Nyame be chiamoka. Nyame obe chiamoka efiri say nyankopon ni say MPP party na dwene o my Ghana ho. Aye no kure da wo prefer chinye bia ni wo Hospital a wi a pillow kura nipa edi wo mutiri beto so gum. Air conditions gum. Fridge a doctors nyina ye so be use ni nyina gum. How come so be ka kire say MPP for ba o ma ko to pe church say eniema na gum fiti how many years ni?
Over 10 years.
Canada, Japan, don't be like that. And yes, sir. Men, yes, sir. Who saw two party? Go and form your party will be a found. Dan sa wo pesa wo twe MPP ebeto form. Wo yes ade nya me bebu service MPP party no eno na nam so amenne wa ye Canada Japan. Wanye sika wato bi akoche watoka edi akoche no. Ene wanya ho akogina ho ye ntoato akanse hunu so ni mfa so. Epese ugu MPP party animu ase because ya mo amelidi ya party na wo akasa wo awudimi na wo personality wanimu yi wajina wabaju say na kura ho ehuhu ya ase wadi 80 years enti na pese ke fa be di ya party anim ifa na ka wana beto abama se be di president wo Ghana ho nimdie ben na ka de be ba bebu o man no ye man chance you wo a wo be ka kire ye say ye kaya no tum na Canada Japan ye be so no so papa ye be bua no fi say ye be address no as obi a wo ye different political party ye nyina ye wo Ghana ha mo na date to mo be hu say the base no ye Canada dia ye be man nsa so de na gina party na nim say ye ne dia sa bre na be mo be hu say ye ka kire mo Canada for mienu we omo MPP party won person omo good Dr. Baomi animu ase na yenso so ye begu omo animu ase ata Canada na di ka akwa ansem hunu kwahye ye busa no kura mfa ho ba bia wodane no ekofa Dr. Baomi ade ne be hie mu ebe twe ne be begu na animu ase ye mpene bu twu mu ta ona ye leader eti kwa bia so be fa so be protect no ye be protect no wa ha sei ye be protect no if so ono na nyansa ne nimdie no ewo ni mu yesese Ghana for ma na konya no fa meboa wo man no eti ya mpene ama mo fa nanim entwitwiri fom wo a wo be yuti wo be chuti aba doctor so bia no yeso be chu de wa beto atechem ne atietia wo so agu anim ase sa na ye de be ye mo samusumu kama no ntuma me se nyankopon yi wo bia wo hyem bia wade pane be wo doctor ti se mire bi atwom ni nya minyi wo nyina pie mako ni antwu wo nyina tungu yini mansuo enyiri fa wo fo mo nko ni enye asomdwe ni enkoji 2028 voice me da ase
But Asante Mary, and enjoy your night. Thank you for such a brilliant contribution. The next person, therefore, Akwaba, Biabo Kodia.
Voice Michel, Biabo Conanzo, Memo Yaboso. Voice, Painforce, Dia, Enya Weni at the one. It was by in Castle. We are Bebua Medija in Painform. See, Dia, Enya on us at the one year, it was in Castle.
Gano fruit agamania, and so it was
Voice, we are the scanny BBBR. Sika, any BBBR. Inti say, ye diskechi na ya twi ani munyama. Then, better say, ye be meskanako. Na ye dignity, than say, ye be identity nino. The voice, yen share way, ye find saying, Afrafanto ni, obeye ye Kennedy oyi biya na ye pana chaw na ye say political party ye mpo bi acho man be don party o ye mpo bi acho say be ye a lawyer ma political party e you be a free will and not the joining political party and he say can fool say or you so big saying NPP political party now I think say this is the right time they should let him go. You're paying for no more months so because Ken is becoming unbecoming.
Or in the Sikabeko, or in the pickup so.
Yeah, found this can on ya. We are saying, Menyas so Ubias, the Buakatis, Menyeska, Ubias in us.
Nisika nisi or Casca for account.
The goods no grano, or Montini, Casa, Emfa, America in show months say only America. How much more can discuss ya no? Me just say the voice which we can feed you that. Me will feed me that and me no platform me so I can say political party and I say politician be feed me that. And I'm
therefore when them you sorry who flow pa owo sika ne baba na ti America oba time otimi ka kire ne ba se wo school fees mi ntua me nhwew me de bekọ kodi ahya wo de benya is ni suban no one way ye obi amfa ne ho owo sika obi amfa ne ho onfidi obi a nan no ne ba na ti America kwala na kasa foso eti abre wo ba time awoso yesikeni the bati America kwala na etimi found ne ho e no de awie school onko no hwe ne ma fa ne kwase asem free ni peni so voice system na me koda na me fi adwuma ba me fe na me kope bibi nya na man fa bufu antra
Mama David Mama David
therefore
me that
sorry mama o ya ko therefore sorry the time there that me
send your voice note Mama David
me kwa kutie mpacho kutie why papa me mama yin good night voice see me na me fi adwuma ba my bre ye be kasa why me ma shedding what yo ye be kasa thank you bye
voice well can I say kwadwoko nso wogina nkwantia why say ono a onko ono so ma ye ho ntoye enti high time as a point for take bold decision no catch say enough is enough say we hospital ya can ho asemi the rate after the hospital no the rate ya and I say the poster NPP NDC for Jan no 2016 no sa no mbeto na and the whole person on can okre and had time I say Ghana for mu say ken obi a oye dadafo because within the catch enemy be bio company we can the no bio company or Ghana nyina so ehun ni company ba kokra obi oye dadafo oye dishonest person. Oh, do baby, and cannot cry, any penny cannot cry, says the we are travel. Which in the now say, and I repeat, Yanaki, a whole political party, who was served as a cabinet minister, MP, chairman, board chairman for the past 8 good years. We are chairman. Now, which me be now want to catch say political party now. Is that not an insult to the political party you belong? You claim that you belong. Insult to that. Oh, baby, am I in Cassa or your king or no be Sene ye point for no moo your man for NPP uncle. Me a source a king free my NPP. Ye call 2016 election, near any chairman, near any party secretary. And so we need election no. When the political party it doesn't based on one person say or in the Sika voice. Ni no kran ye ya ho de ne ye techerema kasama manfuti and me bisa say ken o we need promise no obey flag bearer and ko be gina pontina ki kansa ansem wi na no me ye nkoti ya no wa free radio station ne ken o yesi akola ema NDC ken yesi akola ma NDC o but ye bisa ho say o ye a chairman for the 8 years no their contribution no the ma NPP. You should come out and tell us, say me contribution here to tell them say me ko ho yesi ya mamenko. Ken ni mobia wo NPP from the head to toe or MPs no ni mobia. He should come out and tell us say this person told me say oh mamenko. He should come out and tell us oh ja trono. Na ya bre ni trono. Ken di tro ye ko ye promise o say obi man 800 million say on step down. One kan obi ani yeah, for 2024 election, yeah, Mosca, yeah, yeah, Pioka, and son of Woody campaign. Such a twat.
Oh, but
Okay, was my Nina tell me.
you twat no frame why too harsh about
And your house, whatever you do, you know, that kind of hatred now, or woman people know. Say, well, ya no, ye video on ne doorstep so, and Oh, no, Henry Cassa, to say you who's on kind of party, no, you will respect that decision. But on her no year, your party nothing to me.
But still,
Oh, voice, that's it, man. Jazana, men retracted.
so what me idea, Miss Meet me advice you and
Voice, meaning, everybody, oh, my, am protecting. Yeah, man, I true, oh, yeah, dear body name to be the I can say.
if I dare be chair ebusion for right ebusion for right here Serebeshia 2016 Afari Hospital ni. This is how we came to meet Afari Hospital in 2016, right? And then when we were leaving power, this is what we left. This is what we left when we were leaving power. And so how can we say something that we met at this stage? Something that we met like this. Eh? And something we met like this, How can and we turn it into this? How can we say I dare we are family and yet fair and I understand the sentiment, but therefore right? Let's go. But therefore
Voice, made man see no. Edu baby a yes yes so na bembem ne na ahwefom. This is the right time. Ye ja can man nko. Why only passion bi ama ye party no. And I think say or ye amanfo building. Nti high time say ye money free party no okoni ye hu say on kan pipi hu bi. Because ye ntimi entertain such hypocrites that we party ken wayɛ saa na ɔyɛ ɔblackmail na ɔyɛ ɔsɛ ne wokɔkan na ken deɛ wɔka wobɛdu atɛm masa yɛabrɛ no ɔdi atɛm but this time round
power tapping why arrest live no pam choye power tapping me dey tia am arrest I think word I use it in pacho o dey mo power tapping my na mo comment mo drop it love emojis in pam cho arrest live no views
The
no
voice, ubetimi esimi na type why?
yo me da say auntie Selena em power tapping why other for baby
enti hard time yɛ mpanyinfoɔ no mo nyɛ sɛ oken say ɔmo fu sɛ ɔmo support ken ɔmo nkodi n'akyi yɛ nsrɛ ɔmo wɔde ɔmo nkodi n'akyi na yɛ party no yɛ fu sɛ yɛbɛ take 100 years sɛ yɛbɛ build the party now it's better that way that we take that long time to build our party than entertain these people in our midst and win power because yɛ kɔkora yɛbɛ sɛ na bi gyina yɛbisi ma we don't need them anymore may that's the voice.
that's it therefore the joy pacho be mommy 5 minutes bia boko there
Yeah, I don't know, bro. Good
yeah
evening.
good evening.
Good evening to wonderful partners too. The, the voice,
Yes.
MPP, we don't have problem. We don't have problem. But some people are just trying to create problem for MPP. Yeni asembia yente bone but enipa bi aye o madwene say one parochial interest omo ankasa omo selfish interest no eno na wo pese wo pursue say anye omo a enye obia so no wo enya obia enya but it's high time we call some people out and let them know say nyankopon eka wo ho a emfa ho ne dia obeye bia de atia nipa dasani a particular person MPP adwuma na nado dankwa kufrado ebae a obeboye oje anye sector bia kra no yemfa your friend is saying health sector